Hi guys, if you're trying to play back a video in Adobe Premiere Pro and the video's either not playing back or it's lagging or it's freezing when you press this play button here, then not to worry, as in this video I've got a few solutions for you that will fix the issue. Now the first solution we can try is by heading over to the edit button and coming to preferences and then media cache. And then what you want to do is you want to press the delete button here and then just select OK. And what this will do is it will just delete any temporary files that Adobe has created on your computer. And this will speed up the program and potentially resolve the issue. Now, the second thing we're going to try if the issue is still occurring is you want to come to Edit again and Preferences, and this time you want to select Audio Hardware. Now, from here, you want to make sure the device class is set to MME. Now, sometimes this can be changed to ICO when you either plug headphones or speakers into your device, so just make sure this is set to MME and then press OK. Now another solution that we can use, which is quite effective if your system's quite slow, is we can come up to the View tab here and make sure the playback resolution is set to, I've got mine set to half, but you can even lower it down to a quarter. It just means that when you play back the video file, the resolution will be reduced slightly, but this will help the video play smoothly. Another thing we can do as well is we can deselect the high quality playback, which will again help with performance issues. So another thing that you can do, which is quite effective, is you can render the selected clip. So what you need to do is you need to select your file and then come over to Sequence and Render Selection. As you can see now, when I play the clip, it runs smoothly. So the last and final thing that you can do if you are still encountering problems with your playback feature is you can reset the preferences to its default. So to do that, you need to come over to Edit and then Preferences and then select General. And then you just want to hit the Reset button and click Reset App Preferences and select OK. And then hit OK again. And as you can see, it requires Premiere Pro to restart, so just select Restart Now. And once your application's restarted, hopefully now it's fixed all of your playback issues. If you still are experiencing any problems, please drop a comment in the comment section below and I'll try and get back to you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and please subscribe, as it will be very helpful for the channel.